For today's recipe, here I've taken a pan and to that I'm going to add half teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of coriander seeds, 6 cloves and lastly 1 teaspoon of peppercorn. I'm now going to dry roast all these ingredients for a period of 2 minutes on low flame. After 2 minutes, I'm then going to switch off the flame and let this cool down. Once it cools down, I'm then going to add it to a grinder. After grinding it, in the very same pan, I'm then going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. And to that oil, here I'm going to be adding 2 medium-sized onions. Along with the onions, here I'm also going to add 2 sticks of curry leaves and 2 green chillies. After adding all these ingredients, I'm then going to mix this really well and fry this for a period of 3 minutes until the time the onions have become nice and soft. After 3 minutes, you can then add half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. And after adding the ginger garlic paste, you can mix this and fry this with the onions until the time the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes away. After about a minute, once the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes away, you can then switch off the flame and let this cool down. Once it cools down, you can then add this to a mixer and blend it without adding any water to it. Then in the very same pan, you can add 1 tablespoon of oil and along with that, here you can add the onions which you just added to the mixer. After doing so, you can fry this for a period of 1 minute. After a minute, you can add 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and the ground spices which are ground earlier. After adding all of the spices, you can mix this really well and fry this for a period of 2 minutes on low flame. After 2 minutes, here you can then add half kg of boneless pork. After adding all of the pork, you can then mix this really well with the onions and the rest of the spices. After mixing it well with the onions and the rest of the spices, here you can then add 2 glasses of water. After adding 2 glasses of water to the dish, here you can mix the pork once again with the water. After that, you can then cover this with a lid and let it cook for a period of 40 minutes while mixing it from time to time so that the masala does not get burnt. After 40 minutes, here you can add the salt as per taste and along with that, 2 tablespoons of vinegar. After adding these 2 ingredients, you can then mix this really well with the pork and cook this for a period of 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, as you can see here, the pork is cooked really well and you can now switch off the flame. So if you did like this recipe, I request you to please click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.